Hi guys, in this video I will teach you some tips and also we will discuss about circle. These tips are very useful for you to improve your learning in AutoCAD. So let's see the contents of this video. First of all, we will learn all details of circle with examples. Second, what is trim and how to do trim of any object. Third, what is extend. And finally, we will learn about how to give security protection to your files. So let's start this tutorial with some interesting topics. I will take you to my Word file where I can show you all the details of circle. After that, we will come to the AutoCAD screen and we will see examples. So this is my Word file. Let's see our first topic. Our first topic is what is circle. A circle is a plane figure contained by one line which is called circumference. All straight lines drawn from a certain point within the figure to circumference are equal to one another. So let's see in CAD screen that what is the location of circle, how to call circle or command for circle, and what are the types of circle. So this is my CAD screen and the location of circle is draw toolbar, and this area is your draw toolbar. As you can see here, circle is present. So you can draw a circle by selecting it from draw toolbar, or you can put a command C then enter. So our circle has been selected. I am pressing ESC button to release because first of all we will know about the types of circle present in CAD. Actually there are 6 types of circles present in CAD and I will show you those 6 types of circle with proper details and examples. So let's begin from the first circle, which is known as center radius. To draw this circle, go to draw toolbar, click on the draw arrow below circle, select center radius. So here is the specified first center point for a circle, and you can take anywhere as a center point. I am taking this one. So here is our circle. You can call circle by C enter, then you can specify a center point for circle. Then if you have radius, then put it. Otherwise I will put my radius 25, enter. So this is the circle of radius 25. Now second circle, which is known as the center diameter. To draw this circle, go to draw toolbar, click on the down arrow below the circle, select center diameter, or we can put the command C enter, then define the center point of the circle. By default it will ask for radius. For diameter go for D, enter, then provide the required diameter value. I will provide 20 diameter and then enter. So here is the circle of 20 diameter. Always remember, diameter is 2 into radius. It means you will divide radius into 2 parts. Let's go for the third circle, which is 2-point circle. To draw this circle, go to draw toolbar, click on the down arrow below the circle, select 2 point, or you can put the command C enter, then 2P enter, then define the first endpoint. I am taking as the first endpoint this center, and then define the second endpoint of circle. My second endpoint is this center. So here is the first point and here is the second point, and the circle comes with 2-point circle. Now the fourth one is 3-point circle. To draw this circle, go to draw toolbar, click on the down arrow below the circle, select 3 point, or we can put the command C enter, then 3P enter, and the 3-point circle has been selected. So I will show you an example. Let's erase all this. Now C enter. I am taking the radius as 50. Again enter. Again I am drawing a circle of radius 50. Then again C enter. Again I will draw a circle here of radius 50. Then I will go for 3-point circle, and I will take my first point as this center point, and my second point is this center point, and my third point is this circle's center point. So first point is my first circle, second point is in my second circle, and third point is in my third circle, and this circle will come in 3-point circle. Now we will see the fifth one, which is known as the 10-10 radius. It means tangent tangent radius. To draw this circle, go to draw toolbar, click on the down arrow below the circle, select 10-10 radius, or else you can put the command C enter, then T enter. So here it has selected as the 10-10 radius circle. I will show you an example. Let's erase all this. C enter. I will draw a circle here of radius 50, and again a circle of radius 50. Now I will select a 10-10 radius. So I will take my tangent point as here. As you can see, the tangent mark is showing near the circle. First tangent point. Now I will specify the point on object for second tangent circle. So this is my second point, and I have to put a radius, and I will put my radius as 30. So here is the circle which is tangent to first circle and second circle of radius 30. Now the final type is this 10-10-10. It means tangent tangent tangent. To draw this circle, go to draw toolbar or draw menu bar, then click on down arrow below the circle, then select 10-10-10, then define the first point. So I will take my first tangent point here, and then I have to specify second tangent point here, and my third tangent point will be here. So the circle comes between the first circle, the second circle, and the third circle. My first tangent point is this one, my second tangent point is this one, and my third tangent point is this one. So in between all this circle, a circle is generated which is known as tangent tangent tangent. That's all, it's completed. Now I want to show you what is trim, and we also learn about how to do trim of any object. It's very simple, and there are two ways to do it. The first way I will show you here is to trim. Actually, what is trim? Trim is an option which is used to remove the excess line, or we can say to remove the excess part of the line. But for removing that you need one destination point. It means any perpendicular line at the end. Now we will see how trim works. For trim, the location is modify toolbar or modify menu bar. So this is your modify toolbar and menu bar. You can see here in modified toolbar it is mentioned trim. In this way you can select the trim, or you can put command tr enter. So our trim command has been selected. Now we will see the procedure of trim. I will show you some examples, like I will draw some rough lines and I will go for trim. I am drawing some rough lines and now I will go for trim tr enter. Then select the object from which you want to trim. I will select this object from which I want to trim and just press enter. Now select the object to trim. So I want this line to be erased, and here the trim has been done. Then press ESC button, escape button from your keyboard to release the trim command. Now we will see the second way to trim, which is known as quick trim. For this you have to put the command tr and press the enter key double time. Then select the object to trim. In this way you can trim the objects. So all the rough lines are being erased. Remember that in trim you will able to do single trim, but in quick trim you can use it multiple times. That's all about trim. Now our next topic is extend. First of all, we will know what is extend. The extend boundary object along its natural path to intersect one another object or its implied edge in 3D space. So now we will see what is the location of extend. Its location is modified toolbar. As you can see here, below the trim command, here is a down arrow. You can click the down arrow to select the extend, or else you can put the command for extend, which is ex enter. Now you have to select the object from which you want to extend. I want to extend this line from this object. So my first object I have to select is this one. Then press enter key. Then select the object which you want to extend. I will extend this line. So I will click here and the line has been extended. Now you can press the ESC button, escape button from your keyboard to release from extend. You can use extend as trim or vice versa. Means you can use trim as extend and you can use extend as a trim command. Just go for EX and press the enter key double time. Then by holding the shift button, it will act as trim. I will show you. This is my full circle and I have selected the extend command. But I want to trim this part. So by holding the shift key, I will press this one and the circle line has been erased. I want to extend this line. within this command by extend command. So I will select this line and the line has been extended. So that's all about trim and extend. Finally, our last topic in this video is how to give security protection to your file. Let's see how we can do this. It's very simple. Just go to save as option and you will find the save as option here. You can see here. I will click on the save as button. Now go for the tools. Here it is mentioned the tools, then security option, then provide your password. I will provide my password, then press OK. Then re-enter the same password, then press OK. Then save the file wherever you want to save. I will save it in my and I will go for save. That's all. Our file has been password protected. Let's open our file which we saved. I will close this one and I will open the file again to see that if the file is been password protected or not. I will double click on the icon. So you can see here the file is being asked for the password. Let's put the password quickly. So here is your drawing. Then to remove the password from the file, just go for save as option, again tools, security option, just erase the password and then press OK. So a prompt was been popped out that the password removed from drawing. Then press OK and save the file again. Yes. Now let's again open the file to see whether the password has been erased or not. I will close this file and again I will open the file. Okay. So you can see here the AutoCAD drawing file is directly opened. That's all in this tutorial. I hope you all have learned something better here. So this is all from my side. If you enjoyed this tutorial, subscribe to watch more videos and get notified of new updates. In our next video tutorial, I will introduce you about copy command, move, what is mirror and how we can use mirror, offset and selection methods. So stay tuned. Thank you very much for watching. See you all in our next tutorial video. Thank you.